Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Piedmont Lithium ADR and the way the stock has moved. So as you can see here, the stock has actually moved up by 350 plus percent and settled at around 200% on the upside. And what you are looking at is a weekly chart. So the chart data is available since 2017, but with this one move, what the stock has done is broken all the resistance level and made a big breakout on the upside. So you can see that the stock has made a breakout and there is a gap which has created in between. Okay, now let us just discuss about all these things and what one should expect probably in the days to come, because this one moves will definitely makes the price volatile. Okay, so this is the thing, and here is your high and low. Now understand this. Okay, here with this move, where the previous resistance for this particular script was at 18.34, but with this one move what it has done is just created its own level, because the highs and lows are very distant apart. Okay, so here you can see the immediate support for this particular script is $27.61 on the lower side and 54 or probably $54 on the upper side. Now the stock is trading in between. Okay, so what can you expect here is the question. So let us just look at the different support and resistance level, then we are going to discuss about the trend. So here these are your important support levels. Now if you look at the trend, what you can see here, that the stock has indeed make a breakout above $18.34, and with that it has created a gap which is in between 11.84 to 27.61. Okay, so this is the first thing we need to understand, because generally gaps were retested and will retested in the future as well. So let's say if the stock either makes a gap up or gap down, so there is very high probability sometime in the future that the gap gets filled, if it is on the upside or on the downside. Okay, now there is a very high probability that if things goes not as you have planned, probably on the downside, so there is a very high probability that the stock may retest 11.84 on the downside, or at least 18.34. Okay, because 18.34 was the big resistance. No, so now there are some possibilities which you could see in the stock. Let's say now, because the stock is trading at $37, the first thing could happen that it will slowly consolidate and reach towards 27.61 and again moves up toward 54.44. Second is this will again move up to 54.44 and falls down. Third is this stock will falls down, breaks 27.61 and then fill up the gap by reaching at least 18.34. And fourth will be the stock will move up and make a breakout above $55. So there is only one condition inside under which stock makes a new move, or we can say that the new trend has started. Obviously the new trend has already started, because of these kind of moves the stock has made a range for itself. So unless the stock makes a move above $55 and sustain over there, we can't say that a new trend will start again. Now the rest of the possibilities will be considered very seriously, because if in any adverse scenario the stock falls down below 27.61, then your first support will be 18.34, then you have 14.27, and further you have 11.84 or 12 odd dollars as your big support. Third scenario, that the stock will consolidate in between 27.61 and then 54.44. So these all three scenarios are very prevalent, where consideration about a breakout will only happen if the stock makes a breakout over 55. So probability is low for that scenario. Now for the rest of the scenario regarding breakdown or consolidation, that is very much prevalent. Okay, so you just need to plan accordingly, because with these kind of moves there is a very high probability that stock may goes into a consolidation. So if you are planning something, you should be very aware about your support and resistance levels, and you should place your stop loss very strictly, because the trade can be very volatile. And also just understand that the current price is trading in between a range, so it's better to take any positions whether at the either at the support level, or if the stock makes a breakout or a breakdown. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.